We made it to Portugal. Champagne. Whoa! The acid is still good. Yeah, this is my champagne glass. Brr. The French way. Let me get my first impression here. Friendly people up to now. I only see 3 people for the gas station, a store, and the camping here. She was a little bit off, but yeah, it wasn't too bad. She spoke extremely good French. Extremely good French. Way better than me. I'm not very good in French, but a little bit. I'm at the camping. I have bought electricity because my battery was completely flat. I couldn't last one night. Everything is possible, but the gas bottle would be 1 day, 1 night, maybe 2 nights, barely, because 16 liters went in. And I don't know what I use, but I think it's a 20 liters, so maybe 2 nights, maybe, if it's not too cold. Now I'm at camping, the water is really dirty. So I absolutely can't fill my tanks, and they are halfway, let's say. Because I knew I was going to a camping, I was a little bit uncareful with the water use. I took 2 showers and stuff, and I didn't watch the amount of water I used, because I thought I could fill up here today, but I'm not gonna fill this water in my tanks. I'm not even let the dog drink from it. So the first impression of Portugal would be, for me, falling in love with the country. I completely adored the rest it gave. The views, it's a very beautiful country, very friendly people, up to now, but the first Polish guy that I saw was exact the same as every other Polish guy. Every Polish guy tried to rip me off because I was on Belgian number plates, I think. It seems that I have less attention from the crowd here than in Spain. In Spain they would turn their necks that is almost cracked. There is a river down there and it's seriously flooded. Everything is broken now down there. Hey, nu zitten wij in het water, hè? En dan hebben wij een stokje gevonden. Dat is letterlijk een boom, hè? Dat is geen stokje, hè? So this is Summer Little Beach, I think. 20 per night for 2 adults, including electricity. I paid 28. It's for a caravan and a car though, but still I am again ripped off, I think. Auto caravan 6.5, 2 person, 5.5, 2 person 5.5. Electricity 2.5. Auto caravana is a camper, eh? So 6.5, 11. Yeah, that's 14, but that's for 2 persons, not for 1, eh? No prices on Google. So yeah, I'm probably ripped off. Whatever, it's a couple of euros. If they're happy with it, whatever. It's always something. What is all of this? And I still need to climb. That's a view. That's Bracargo, the city. It's a city, it's not a town. It's enormous. It don't look like it in here, but it's like a busy city. It's not like Brussels or Antwerp. It's a fourth of that maybe in size. I still need to climb because that's the road that I need to go. So I'm coming all the way down there. Those are towns, connected towns. So I took all that road, that street, and there is absolutely nobody that's going in my direction again. Jesus, this car has some work to do.